I'm just very grateful for this award, guys. This isn't my award. This is Loving's award. Every time I speak about this place, I have nothing but great things to say about it. You know, there's been opportunities to do different things or go different places, but this is my home. This is where my heart is, and this is because of you guys. And there's so many great educators in this building that deserve this award. I always tell people all the time, I'm not even the best teacher in my family. You know, she's standing right next to me, and some of you guys have had her in class. Just so many great educators and administrators, from people that have served and dedicated their whole life to this school. You know, Coach Santa over there has just been a great mentor to me. And I'm hoping to do the same thing here, guys. Just from the bottom of my heart, thank you. This is the greatest school in the United States, and you guys just need to know that. And believe that, and believe that you can do everything that you want to do, and Loving is just the place to be, and we're going to continue to move forward. So thank you guys, and praise be to God. So thank you.